Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Jacob Carney. So today we're gonna talk about the iOS 18. Yes, that's what's up with that. So today we're gonna talk about the features, what's so special about it, what is the benefit of getting it, and why you should get it instead getting that 17.7 that comes also with iOS 18. So basically, at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I thought I'm gonna get it at 1 o'clock. But then at 1:07, when I was speaking to Apple, when I was talking to Apple and stuff like that, I told them, hey, Apple, I thought I'm gonna get the iOS 18. So they said, oh, let me check. They go on my screen just to see what's going on with it. And then after that, I found out that I just got it. And I'm like, wait, I don't want to make a mistake, man, but I think I got it. And after that, I downloaded the app, the iOS update, and it took me like about 1 hour. For other people, it takes 2 hours. So it's super funny. So I want to show you guys what is inside that iOS 18. I don't know if you guys can see my face, but I show what it looks like when you get it. So you got the iOS 18 right here. So I'm not really good with this stuff, so I just need to put my phone as a way that you guys can see it, but I'll be right back. 1 second. Guys, I'm back. So basically, on that iOS 18, there's a feature that I want to show you, but before that, let me put my password so you guys don't see that. So on the phone, there's look at the apps they actually have on it. I actually decorated it myself. It's super dope. You guys can actually, the new feature I want to show you guys is that you can move your app whatever you want it to be. So this is what I put it. So I'll give you an example. So imagine you want this app to be here, and then you want this app, wait, you guys want to put it right here, and whatever, you can put it wherever you want it to be. And after that, if you want to change the color of your phone, how you want it to be, press that button, and it's gonna put you over here. There's dark mode, light. I mean, it's like classic or something. And then this one is like whatever. And then this one is like whatever color you want. There's all type of colors and stuff like that. And I really like it a lot, and it's amazing. But here's the funny part of this. I love the way that you can go like this and go to your music, go to your Wi-Fi, everything you want to go on it. And there's a nice feature I want to show you that I really enjoy, I like the most. And you press that, and look at that, guys. It's amazing. Look how the light is, like, so much better. And after that, you go to settings. They kind of changed the settings. So if you go to your over here, and then you go to your thing, make sure that before you guys upload your iOS 18, make sure to back up your phone before you do that, so in case you don't lose any memories. And your stories, it's amazing. They organize your storage. I have about 1.02 terabyte used, but I'm using about 961.68 gigabyte, and it's amazing. I like it. And if you guys are a big fan of Apple Music, there's nothing I've changed about it. The only different about it is that if you imagine you're going over here and you want to go to this singer, and you go to over here, it's super different. And guys, you should definitely get this, and it's super fast on your phone. What I like about this one also is that there's a new feature that you can go like this and go to send later. And imagine you want to do a business text, but you don't want to do it tomorrow. So instead, you type something about a flight, and then you send it to yourself, and it will send that person about 9 o'clock a.m. And it's amazing. And after that, you can go to, my bad, 1 second. You can go to your phone numbers over here, and you can actually call someone. And when you call someone, you can actually record the person who's talking to you on the phone, but that's later on in iOS 18.2. So that's in October, something like that. And so if you guys want to get if you guys really want to get it, the new iOS 18, you should definitely get it. and it's amazing, it's fast, it's very smooth, and you guys really going to enjoy it a lot. And I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to me, it helps me grow my YouTube. And if I hit about 500 subscribers, that'd be amazing. So guys, I'll see you later, and I hope you guys have a good night. So boom.